iBuyers 101, who they are and how they work. An iBuyer is a company which buys homes from homeowners in need of fast cash. Of course, there's much more to this process than just handing over the money and going on your way. Most iBuyers are interested in purchasing homes as is with no repairs or real estate commissions. This is because they want to buy the property at a low cost, renovate it and then sell it at market value, or higher. The goal of an iBuying company is to make money by flipping the home quickly. What should I look for in an iBuyer? The first thing you'll want to do is make a list of what you need from your iBuyer. Does the company have an app? Is the company local to you? Do they pick up or do they only ship out? Once you've made your list, it's time to start researching companies. Look at their reviews on sites like Yelp or Google Reviews as well as Facebook reviews to see how they're rated. Read through articles about them online and ask anyone who has used them before what they thought of the experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe to HouseLux Estate. See you in the next video.